Welcome all. Today we will see some of the properties of numbers using Euclid's division lemma. This video is just a continuation of real numbers part 6. Here we have one question. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. This is a textbook question and the question is very important also. So as usual we have to start like this. Let a be any positive integer and b is equal to 9. You know how we got 9. Because here in the question it is given that the cube of, we have to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So 9m plus 1 means you know that it is of the form bq plus r. So b is 9. So then by Euclid's algorithm a is equal to bq plus r. So a is equal to bq plus r. Here b is 9. 9 q plus r, where q is an integer greater than 0 and r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because it is 0 less than or equal to r less than 9. So r cannot be 9. R will be a number from 0 till 8. Therefore, a is equal to 9q or 9q plus 1 or 9q plus 2 or 9q plus 3 or 9q plus 4 or 9q plus 5 or 9q plus 6 or 9q plus 7 or 9q plus 8. Because here if r becomes 0 or if r equal to 0, if you substitute in a is equal to 9q plus r, it becomes a is equal to 9q. When r equal to 1, a equal to 9q plus 1. Like that we have to write up to 9q plus 8. Now what we have to do is, here when a equal to 9q, we have to prove that either the cube of a cube or the cube of 9q will be of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So here we will take each case. Case 1. Case 1 we are taking a is equal to 9 cube. A cube we have to take because in the question itself it is given to show that the cube of any positive integer. So we have to take the cube of the positive integer a. So a cube is equal to 9q the whole cube. This can be written as 9 into 81 cube because this gives 9 into 9 into 9 into cube. Since in the question it is given that we have to show either it should be of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8, we will write this as, this together we will take it as m. That's why here it is written as 9 into 81 cube, which is equal to 9m. So what will be m? M will be 81 cube. Now we will see case 2. In case 2, we will take when a is equal to 9q plus 1. Again we have to cube it. When you cube a cube, that is 9q plus 1 the whole cube. This is equal to 729q cube plus 243q square plus 27q plus 1. What is the formula for a plus b the whole cube? That is a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. We are applying this formula over here. So here the last one, which is not a multiple of 9, we are leaving. But from here till here, all these three terms are multiples of 9. We can write in multiples of 9, that is 9 into 81q cube plus 27q squared plus 3q plus this 1. So from here till here, all these three terms we can take it as m, which can be written as 9m plus 1. Because we have to show either it is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Any one of this we have to show. So here we got it as 9m plus 1, where m is equal to whatever there inside the bracket. These three terms, 81q cube plus 27q square plus 3q. Now case 2 is over. Now we will take case 3. In case 3, we will take a is equal to 9q plus 2. Again we are cubing it. So 9q plus 2 the whole cube. You will get this step. We are applying the formula a plus b the whole cube. So 729q cube plus 486q squared plus 108q plus 8. So here you could see this 8 is not a multiple of 9, and which is a lesser number of 9, and this is what you have to prove also, that is 9m plus 8. You can show it as 9m plus 8 also. So here when you expand, you will get 729q cube plus 486q squared plus 108q. From these three terms, we will take 9 as a common factor. When you take 9 as a common factor, you will get 9 into 81q cube plus 54q squared plus 12q plus 8. This can be written as 9m plus 8, where m is equal to whatever there inside the bracket, 81q cube plus 54q squared plus 12q. Now we will see case 4. In case 4, when a is equal to 9q plus 3, cube it. So you will get 9q plus 3 the whole cube, which can be written as 729q cube plus 729q squared plus 243q plus 27. Here you could see that all the terms are multiples of 9. So we can take 9 as common factor from all these terms. We have to write 9 into only, because in the question itself we have to show that it should be 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So we can take 9 as a common factor over here. If you take 9 as a common factor, it will be 9 into 81q cube plus 81q squared plus 27q plus 3, which can be written as 9m, where m is equal to whatever there inside the bracket, 81q cube plus 81 squared plus 27q plus 3. So case 4 is over. In case 4, we showed it as 9m. So we will see now case 5. In case 5, when a is equal to 9q plus 4. Now cube it. 9q plus 4 the whole cube. When you expand, you will get 729q cube plus 972q squared plus 432q plus 64. Now this 64 we will write as 63 plus 1. 63 plus 1. Because 63 is a multiple of 9. So when you get a number greater than 9, its easy way is that you can divide it by 9. When you divide it by 9, you will get 9 sevens are 63. So the remainder is 1. Instead of writing like this, we will write this as 9 into 7 plus remainder 1. So now first term, second term, third term, and this is our fourth term. So from all the terms, we can take 9 as a common factor. So when you take 9 as a common factor, you will get 9 into 81q cube plus 108q squared plus 48q plus 7. 9 into 7. Till this much only we have to take. Plus this one. So we are splitting this 64 as 9 into 7 plus 1. That is totally, you could see here, 1, 2, 3. This is our fourth term and this is our fifth term. We are making it as 5 terms. So from all these 4 terms, we will take 9 outside and plus 1. Because we have to make it either of these forms. Either of one of this, that is 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So here we can now write it as 9m plus 1. Hope that you understood how you got this 1. That is here, this fifth term 1 is there. So m will be whatever there inside the bracket, 81q cube plus 108q squared plus 48q plus 7. Now we will see case 6. A is equal to 9q plus 5. Now you have to cube it. 9q plus 5, the whole cube, that is 729q cube plus 1215q squared plus 675q plus 125. Now here you know that this 125 is not a multiple of 9. So we will divide 125 by 9. You will get 1 time 9, 35, 3, 27. When you subtract, you will get it as 8. So this 125, we will split it as 2 terms. That is 9 into 13 plus remainder 8. So now you got 5 terms. 1, 2, 3. This is our fourth term and this is our fifth term. Now we can take from all these 4 terms 9. So 9 into 81q cube plus 135q squared plus 75q plus 13. 9 into 13. When you take 9 outside, what will be there? 13 plus 8. Now we can write it as 9m plus 8, where m is equal to 81q cube plus 135q squared plus 75q plus 13. Whatever there inside the bracket only, we are taking it as m. Now we will see case 7. In case 7, when a equal to 9q plus 6, a cube is equal to 9q plus 6 the whole cube. That is 729q cube plus 1458q squared plus 972q plus 216. Now this 216, we will divide it and check whether it is a multiple of 9. So when you divide 216, 9 by 9, 2 times it is 18, 3, Bring this 6 down 4 times. This 36, remainder is 0. So this 216 is a multiple of 9. So no need to split it. So we will take 9 from all these terms as a common factor. So 9 into 81q cube plus 162q squared, 108q plus 24, which is equal to 9m. Whatever there inside the bracket is m, that is 81q cube plus 162q squared plus 108q plus 24. Now we will see, so here we got it as 9m in case 7. Now we will see case 8. In case 8, a is equal to 9 cube plus 7. We have to cube it. A cube is equal to 9 cube plus 7 the whole cube. That is 729q cube plus 1701 q squared plus 1323 q plus 343. Now we will see whether this 343 is a multiple of 9. 343 divided by 9, 3 times it is 27. When you subtract, you will get it as 7. Bring this 3 down, 73. 8 times it is 72 and the remainder is 1. So this 343 we have to split it since the remainder is non-zero. So here this 343 we can write it as 9 into 38 and the remainder 1. So how many terms are there here? 5 terms. First one, second one, third one, this is the fourth one and this is the fifth one. So up to this, you could see that we can take 9 as a common factor. So when you take 9 as a common factor, 9 into 81q cube plus 189q squared plus 147q plus 38, because from this we took 9 as a common factor. We took 9 outside, plus 1, which can be written as 9m plus 1, where m equal to 81q cube plus 189q squared plus 147q plus 38. Now we will see case 9. When a equal to 9q plus 8, cube it. A cube is equal to 9q plus 8 the whole cube, which is equal to 729q cube plus 1944q squared plus 1728q plus 512. Now we will see whether this 512 is a multiple of 9. So when you divide 512 divided by 9, 5 times it is 45, 6, bring this 2 down, 6 times it is 54 and the remainder is 8. So this 512 we can write it as 9 into 56 plus 8. So now we are getting 5 terms. First one, second one, third one, this is the fourth one and this is the fifth one. So from these 4 terms we can take 9 as a common factor. So 9 into 81q cube plus 216q squared plus 192q plus 56 and then this plus 8. So here we can write it as 9m plus 8, where m is equal to 81q cube plus 216q squared plus 192q plus 56. So if you see, in all the cases, 9 cases we saw, and in all the cases either it will be of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So We can write it as, therefore, cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. It is given cube of any positive integer. You can try this. It will be of the form, whatever number you are getting, you can write it as the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Hope you all understood. It's a very important question and a lengthy question also. Thank you.